Hey, in this video, we are going to discuss how to make Adobe Acrobat the default PDF viewer on Chrome OS. So with that being said, let's get started. When you try to open any PDF file on your Chromebook, it will get opened in the Gallery application, as you can see here. However, if you have installed Adobe Acrobat Reader to view and edit your PDF on your Chromebook, then you can make it a default. I already have a video on how you can install Adobe Acrobat Reader, so I'll provide the video link in the I button, or you'll get the video link in the description box. Once you have installed Adobe Acrobat Reader on your Chromebook, simply right click on the PDF file. Here you will find Open With option, and here you can see by default it is selected to Gallery. Here you can simply click on Adobe Acrobat. Now the file will get opened in Adobe Acrobat Reader. However, you have to follow this method every time you open a PDF file. But you can set it a default. For that, simply right click on PDF file, then click on Open With. Here you will find the option called Change Default. Now simply select Adobe Acrobat and it will be the default PDF viewer on your Chromebook. Now when you try to open any PDF file, it will get directly opened in Adobe Acrobat Reader. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.